Hey everyone! Accidentally unsubscribing from a mailing list in Gmail is a common mistake, but because Gmail doesn't have a single undo button for subscriptions, getting back on the list requires a few specific steps. In 2026, the best way to fix this is by whitelisting the sender and manually resubscribing. Step 1. Whitelist the sender. We are starting in the Gmail settings. We do this because once you click unsubscribe in the Gmail header, Gmail begins treating future emails from that sender like spam. Click the gear icon, then See All Settings, then Filters and Blocked Addresses. Select Create a New Filter. Enter the sender's email address or domain, like brandname.com, in the From field. Click Create Filter, then check the box for Never Send It to Spam. This tells Gmail to ignore the previous unsubscribe signal. Step 2. Find the Manage Preferences link. Now we're heading back to your inbox. We're searching for an old email from that specific sender. We do this to use their internal system to opt back in. Search for the sender's name and open a previous message. Scroll to the very bottom, the footer. Look for a link that says Manage Preferences, Update Profile, or even Resubscribe. Following this link will take you to the sender's website where you can toggle your email status back to subscribed. Step 3. Manually re-register. If you can't find an old email, we're heading to the sender's website. We do this to perform a clean start for your subscription. Visit the brand's homepage and look for a newsletter sign-up box, usually found at the bottom of the page or in a pop-up. If the site says Email Already in Use, try the dot variant trick. Gmail ignores periods in addresses, so if your email is johndoe@gmail.com, try signing up as john.doe@gmail.com. The sender sees a new user, but the emails still go to your main inbox. Step 4. The final refresh. We are finishing with the contacts list. We do this to provide one last trusted signal to Google's filters. Open Google Contacts, click Create Contact, and add the sender's name and email address. This simple step makes it much more likely that your newly resubscribed emails will land in your primary tab instead of promotions or spam. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.